Welcome to this demo video of GraPy. GraPy is a flow-style nestable Python interactive programming platform. It allows you to build your entire project by build and debug hierarchically into Python's nested structures, while the built-in AI agentic code flow generator further improves your efficiency. In this example, we will use GraPy to build this multi-conversation image retrieval agent. The user's query will be rewritten by the querier agent in order to boost pronouns and missing parts from the context, then be used for image and text chunk retrieval, the result of which will be further sent to the answer along with the query. For an answer, we need 3 modules for this project, being the querier, the answer and the main pipeline. Let's try convert code to flow for this answer agent. GraPy will automatically place imports, functions, classes and main logic into the corresponding layers when converting code to flow. We'll then build the querier agent. Imports under agentity are from host machines, PyModules. External package paths can be configured. We will try pasting the querier agent class by deep copying from an existing module. It will inherit the agent node class imported from your disk. Have a look inside the querier agent. Queries are rewritten and stored. Answers are directly stored. Before building main logic, we wrap the call to the querier agent into a function. Let's just do nothing for now. We will come back later. We manually register it into the kernel for debug use. You'll be able to see it in the kernel. Main flow imports the other 2 GraPy modules. Now we'll start on the main logic. Construct the querier agent instance with a tool call. Let's write some description for the agent class. Right-click the titles on the tool call node to CDesk. Use a code node to prepare some inputs. We use input to accept users' queries. Try the built-in AI agent to generate some flow. It can also see local and imported functions and classes. Generated flow call querier to rewrite query, fetch text and image, and show the image. Debug the first several nodes. Recall that this rewrite is uncompleted, activated with inputs. Come back to complete rewrite. Now we can use its local vars to debug while building. We can see variables inside called functions are maintained locally. The logic calls query agent execute through an event-triggered loop in the base class agent node, which is not today's topic. Go over briefly. Debug inside function. RSP is the rewritten query generated by Remember to rerun define the func. Go back to main logic and rerun rewrite. Now should get the rewritten query. Use the rewritten query to fetch image and text chunks. This is the correct image. Continue to build the answering part. We need to extract text from the retrieval response. Thus we have to modify and rerun an existing node. If you fill the object, the class blank will fill automatically. Turn on await when calling async functions. Debug these 3 new nodes and found we got the correct answer. The pipeline is ready for test. Run the entire workflow for the initial run. This mode will automatically run all imports and define classes and functions. Check the state records of each node. The first conversation is successful. The following conversations are run after the second node, without re-init the querier and its memory. Notice the pronoun they. We'll see if it's replaced. Yes, the agent replaced they with Optimus. Quite a long answer here. Makes sense anyway. Let's have a peek inside the query agent. Check the history var values. Done.